Hello everyone, this is Fasir Rahman. Brought a new video for you people on a working capital management. We are going to discuss a problem on working capital management today. Okay, Sunil and company are engaged in large scale retail business. From the following information, you are required to forecast their working capital requirements. Project annual sale is 130 lakhs. Average of net profit on cost of sale is 25%. Average period allowed to debtors is 8 weeks. Average period allowed by creditors is 4 weeks. Average stock carrying in terms of sales is 8 weeks. Add 10% to compute figures to allow for contingency. 10% of contingency. Why this? In this way, the problem has given annual sale is 130 lakhs. Okay, what the thing has given over here is average sale is annual sale is 130 lakhs. Then net profit on cost of sale is 25%. Okay, this thing is going to be subtracted from annual sale. Then average period allowed to debtors. Okay, debtors. This is current assets. 8 weeks. Then average period allowed by creditors is 4 weeks. This is current liabilities. Then this is stock inventory 8 weeks. This is will be considered as current assets. Again, these two current assets are going to be added. Then this liability is going to be subtracted. Then we are going to add whatever the difference will come. Based upon that, we are going to consider 10% of based upon that we are going to add 10% of contingency amount. Then our problem will be done. We'll see how to undergo for that. Calculation of expected working capital requirements. This is the format: statement of working capital requirement, particulars, amount. Two columns are to be created, one for the particulars, another for the amount. Again, current asset. For this particular thing, first in the beginning itself, we need to undergo for the working notes. What exactly the working notes is? Working notes. Sales is of 130 lakhs. Okay, 130 lakhs minus sale is 130 lakhs. Profit is 130 lakhs into 25%. Okay, 25%. On this directly we have just find out 25%, so that we will have got this one. Cost of sale, this 130 lakhs minus this 25%, it is going to be subtracted. Then we will be getting 97 lakhs 50,000. Okay, this one. Over on this itself, our problem will run now. Statement of working capital requirement, particulars, amount. In this way, we will be starting current assets. The first one we need to write is current assets. Under the current assets, first one, debtors. Debtors are of 8 weeks. We found 9 in the working notes. This amount 97 lakhs 50,000. Okay, 97 lakhs 50,000 into 8 by 52. 8 is 8 weeks. Okay, 8 weeks. Why this 52? 52 weeks in a year. Okay, in a year there will be 52 weeks. So that is the reason we are writing 52 weeks. 8 by 52. So we have found this one, 15 lakhs. Stock is for the 8 weeks. This one, the same 97 lakhs 50,000 into 8 by 52. We found the same. Okay, we have added both. This will become current asset, CA. Then current liabilities. Creditors for 4 weeks. 97 lakhs 50,000 into 4 by 52. This will become 7 lakhs 50,000. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to subtract this to current assets minus current liability. That will become net working capital, CA minus CL. We found this one, 22 lakhs 50,000 then add 10% of contingency over on this amount itself. We are finding out 10%, the same amount will be written over here. Okay, 10% amount will be 10% amount of contingency will be written over here. Then we are going to add, we will be getting this amount. This is our working capital requirement. Okay, in this way the problem will be done. Thank you very much for watching.